influence the movement of air within your PC, but they work in different ways to achieve this. So in the diagram, you can see that. So according to Corsair Explorer, which is like a content platform for PC component companies, airflow is measured in cubic feet per minute, CFM, that a fan can move in an open space environment. So you can kind of see in the diagram the airflow with no obstructions or intake or exhale. So the airflow operates, and the static pressure means that force a fan can exert and move through obstacles. So you can kind of see it's being obstructed, but it's still a different kind of fan gets the job done. So PC cases today are kind of packed with obstacles in the air, which is where the static pressure comes in, powering through these impeding components to maintain airflow and keep the system cool. And the last main is the fan bearing types. And the importance of fan bearing types is integral to cooling system because it can directly affect the fan's lifespan and efficiency. A good bearing design with proper maintenance reduces friction, allowing the fan to rotate efficiently and smoothly. The result is energy consumption decreases while your cooling performance improves. So they're all helpful to prolong the life. Regular cleanings and like oil lubrication of the bearing, management and performance monitoring are all essential. And these are a few types of the different kind of bearings. So you have sleeve bearings in the top left. Those are the most common and the cheapest type, which are shorter lifespan, so you might have to replace those a little bit more than other types. You have the ball bearings, which are a little bit more expensive in the top right, but they're far more durable and more tolerant of high pressures, high temperatures than the fluid bearings. More advanced design that uses a layer of fluid to create a quieter and more durable bearing with less friction. And then the last one is the magnetic levitation bearing, advanced and very expensive design, but it uses force to suspend the fan air and static pressure, and then the fan bearings to the conclusion. So reviewing my three main points, you kind of see a few more pictures. So these are the different kinds of fans that you might see in your computer. So you have the, as you cited Corsair, you have the Corsair, they also manufacture them. So they're very impactful for the efficiency and longevity. They're an integral part of the operation cycle of the whole computer, just a little part that has a lot of info packed into it. And without them, you cannot properly function. So it is very important to keep on it. So I personally have my own PC and I need to probably replace my fans. So I would recommend that whether it's airflow or static fans, that you want to get them replaced and upkeep the monitor of your computer and the importance of the fans.